Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, it is an exciting one. Yesterday, Revolution Beauty came out with their third series of their collaboration with Friends, and oh my god, I managed to get my hands on the VIP access and they arrived yesterday. So I am quickly sharing these with you today because it's been a while since I've uploaded. I'm really sorry. I have been it's been absolutely mental. I've been so busy with work because I'm obviously working full time and just trying to get everything, you know, work around work and the kids. And now the kids have finished school, I'm hoping I get a bit more time to myself to, you know, get these videos out to you guys. I hope you're all well anyway and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So let me stop babbling on because I know you guys need to see this because you're going to want to go and get them before they sell out. So give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I managed to get my hands on the series 3 third season series 3 Friends collaboration with Revolution Beauty makeup, and I'm going to share with you quickly, and then I will probably do create different looks on each palette. So I've literally got all of them now, from all the girls palettes from the last series that they did to now it's all the guys. I've got a couple more products coming as well which I will share with you in another video, but I thought I'd just get these out and share with you because you need to go and get your hands on them. So let's start off with a couple of the palettes. Okay, first up, the size of this mirror is absolutely massive. Sorry, like literally it takes over my heart. It's bigger than my head. I've got the other mirror, so I thought I'd get the collection because Penny is obsessed with mirrors, and yeah, she was like, can I have a mirror? So when I saw this I was like, okay, I'll add it to the mirror collection. You guys know I'm obsessed with mirrors. I don't even like looking in mirrors, but I've got a thing of collecting these handheld mirrors. I absolutely love them. So here is the mirror. That's what it looks like. It's huge. Big, nice, square mirror to look into. Look, can you see how big it is? But yeah, Penny's going to love this when she sees this. So I thought this was really cute to have on the videos as well. What do you think? So that is the mirror. Then next up, I went for, they've released face masks this time around. And here are all of the face masks. So 6, so it's 3 of the guys and then the girls. So I've got those as well. And we're going to start off with Ross. And this is an anti-blemish tree mask. Okay. Then we've got Rachel, hydrating hyaluronic sheet mask. Then we've got Monica, pore refining, niacinamide. Yeah, niacinamide sheet mask. Then we've got Phoebe, a vitamin C pineapple mask. I was very intrigued by that, so I had to grab that. So I can't wait to try that one out. Then we've got Joey, and this is the clear complexion salicylic. Is that how you say it? Mask. You know what I mean. And then we've got Chandler, which is a detox pink clay mask. So yeah, those are the face masks. Then we have a couple of their beauty blenders. So these are a 2-pack blending brush, and then it's got the door bell there, and then it's the lobster as well on there. So they're really cute. And also they actually have released bundle sets, so you can get some of these products with some other things in there. So you've got lipsticks and false eyelashes, which I hope they release singly as well, because I've got all the lipsticks and that. So release like little kits as well, so they're really good for gifts or just to treat yourself if you want to try a bit of whatever has come out in the collection. Then go and check it out. I'll leave the link down below. We can go and grab everything. Then they've come out with a setting spray, and this is the energizing fixing spray with hyaluronic and caffeine, and I went for Rachel. I can't remember if each one is different. There's 3. I wish I got all 3 now, just to say that I've got them. Anyway, let's move on to the palette. So first up we have Joey, and this is Joey's palette. So that's what Joey looks like, nice and bright colours. Got Joey, Dr. Drake, Mary Angela, Nat Partner, Trifle, Turkey, Bamboozled, Tribbiani and Junior. I like the look of Bamboozled. That's a nice. So that's what that one looks like. Do a couple of swatches on each palette so you just can see the colour, the shade. These are really nice summer shades, aren't they? And we've got Mary Angela. So we've got those. That's what Joey looks like. So yeah, cute. I'm going to create some looks using these palettes, so don't worry. Okay, next up we've got Ross, and the packaging and just everything is just amazing. So there's Ross, the nice natural shades, and then we've got my sandwich, leather pants, break, white teeth, dinosaur, fossil, juice box, keyboard, and a guy. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Okay, so we'll do a couple of swatches of this. So we'll go with that guy. Oh, I like that. That's gorgeous, that is. And this is keyboard. Yep. And then let's go with white teeth. So the shades. They're very natural. Go for dinosaur as well. I like the look of that one. That's a nice, like a pinky foily colour. That's nice. So they're nice as well. Ooh, can't wait to give that a try. I think Ross is my palette. And then we have Chandler. So these are all the palettes, as well as the Forever Flawless palettes as well, which I'll show you in a second. They've added on, but they're much bigger palettes. So this is Chandler. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. So we have Hello Mr. Bing, Tulsa, Bigger Boat, Hypnosis, The Box, Cups, Eddie, Jack and Erica. Okay, and I'm just going to swipe, because that hand's still wet, I'll swipe it on this hand. So let's go with these blues because they look stunning. So we've got Bigger Boat, we've got Chiliza or Tulsa, and then Hello Mr. Bing. That's a very light pastel blue. So those are the blues from Chandler's there. And then we've got Erica. Let's see if this is right now. I'll put it up there. Jack, doing a very good swatches, am I? And then Eddie, you got your pinks as well. So they're very cute as well, aren't they? So yeah, I'm gonna definitely create some looks using these palettes because they are absolutely stunning. And I've got Rachel, Phoebe and Monica's palettes as well, so that can add to the Friends collection. Okay, then next up we have the Forever Flawless We're on a Break palette. So here it is. It's their metal tin collection. I love these palettes. I think they're so cool. I love how they close, and I've got a nice big mirror. So there you have the We Were on a Break palette. How gorgeous is that? Now these are definitely summer colours, and honestly you can create some amazing looks using these palettes. So let's go in with Love Machine. I love that. What a nice bright pink that is. Then we've got Apartment, purple. Oh my god, they're stunning. And then let's go with Fireball. That's a nice bright orange. These are all mattes. Okay, and then just swatch those. Well, they're nice, aren't they? They're really nice. Then we've got Foosball. It's like a teal. Sofa. And then let's do a shimmer. And this is Duck. Okay, so that's what they look like. And then they're there. So yeah, they're nice. I just can't wait to try them. I'm so excited because I know what I'm doing with eyeshadows. Got so many little things coming up, like collabs and stuff like that, which I have actually fallen behind on. I need to catch up with those. I feel really bad, but I need to catch up with those and get some looks. So I think I'm going to be using these palettes. So yeah, that is We Were on a Break. I love that. And then the last palette is this one, another Flawless, Forever Flawless one, and this is I'll Be There For You. Obviously the famous French chair, which everyone knows and loves. What happened with this is I was so excited to get the collection, I accidentally purchased two. So I've got another one here of this one, and I've put it in the group. I offered it to anybody. If anyone doesn't want it, then I'm actually thinking of putting it in a giveaway for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I might even do it just on I might do an Instagram giveaway for that and see what we can do there. Oh wow, so I'll Be There For You. This is definitely my palette. So you've got your more neutral nude tones and warm tones. So yeah, oh, where'd you start? So we've got Chandler's Job, Ick, Over Me, Cheese, Russ, Share Food, Chicken Pox, Tan, Race Car Bed, Cuffs, Poughkeepsie, Ride Along, Dirty Day, Kips, Yeti, Doll's House, Jellyfish and Womb. Wow, that's where Womb looks really nice. You've got Jellyfish, and then you've got Doll's House, which is like a shimmery foil. So we'll swipe those. Oh, they're nice. And then we've got, say, Kips, which is very natural nude, so that'd be nice transition colours. They're very nice, you know, just to have very natural looking shades on the lid. Tan, and then let's go Race Car Bed. So those are those three shades there, and then that's what they look like. So I will definitely do more swatches, more, so you guys can really see. Maybe do a video for each palette so you guys can really check out the colours and see which ones you want to go for. But oh my god, if you haven't already, you need to go check out the Friends collection because it's absolutely amazing. It launched yesterday on the website, so go and check it out if you haven't already. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below, so go and have a look. But yeah guys, wow, I'm gonna definitely do some looks and maybe like do a Chandler Joey day and stuff like that. If that's what you want to see, then let me know. I could do like a little quick face mask, then a face look as well. But yeah, that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.